jump together. No.
Yes.
What are we doing? We're jumping?
We're jumping off a bridge.
Yeah, with bungee cords.
We're all gonna jump off a bridge. We're all gonna do it.
Next on the vlog.
We're gonna jump off a bridge tonight.
Yes. What are you doing? What the heck, Gino?
Hey, welcome to the vlog.
I don't want to be seen.
Say hi, Hillary.
Hi. Hi, Hillary. Hi. I want to go in the water. If you can find.
Go in the water. The agua.
It's in Spanish.
How do you say it in French?
Oh.
The O.
Oh.
O. O.
Anybody have a pocket knife?
No. What are you gonna do with a pocket knife? You're like 5. Are you gonna kill a person?
Right here. Right here. Do you take? Hello.
Hi.
Hey guys. I have a stick.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Me and Connor.
What's up, guys?
We're out here vlogging. We're doing some limbo at Christian camp. Elise is here. Can I limbo with the camera?
Yeah. Say hello, Vlog Squad.
Hello. What was it?
Vlog Squad.
One?
Vlog Squad.
Oh, Vlog Squad.
Vlog. Vlog.
Vlog Squad.
Yeah.
That's not what I asked for.
It's JB.
Oh wow.
JB. Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber.
What do you have to say to the people?
I thought it was a picture.
No.
I wanted a picture.
this entire time.
I want a picture.
You're going to repeat after me. I promise.
Promise.
I will
I will
swallow my jelly bean
swallow my jelly bean
no matter what.
no matter what.
This is the Bean Boozle Challenge. This is Juicy Pear Booger.
I will come to you. I swear I will come to you.
That's so gross. Oh.
Yes. If your question is, can I have one? The answer is yes. Just wait. Wait a moment.
How do you feel? Disgusting.
Sorry, it was on my tongue. It's yours. I'm sorry. We're next.
We are.
I think.
On my daughter's
So that's it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends.
That's what I thought. Any last words?
That's all I have to say.
On my daughter's
On my
birthday.
daughter's birthday.